Do you love the Starbucks gingerbread chai as much as I do? Get ready to recreate this cozy favorite at home for just a fraction of the price. Imagine the perfect winter drink: spiced chai, creamy oat milk, a cloud of gingerbread spice foam that'll make you feel like you're walking in a winter wonderland, even if you're wearing shorts in July. And the best part, you're going to save a lot of money when you make this recipe at home. You can see we go ahead and create our own gingerbread syrup. You can buy this commercially, but you can just simply dig around in your pantry and you likely already have these ingredients here. So make the syrup and set it to the side. Next, we're going to make the foam. Now this is where the real magic happens. We're going to take our oat milk and froth it together with some gingerbread syrup. Don't like oat milk? Use a dairy milk. Use whatever milk you like. And you're going to assemble this by putting ice in a glass, the milk, the chai tea concentrate, a little touch of gingerbread syrup if you like, and you're going to simply top this with the foam. The first sip is pure holiday magic, the kind that makes you want to sing carols even in the middle of summer. Save money and sip happiness with copycat recipes.